Hey guys, it's Whitney and Kelly and we're back with another tutorial. This is just a cute updo I came up with the other day for my daughter, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. Okay, just to get started, Kelly's hair was washed the day before I did this style, so we're definitely gonna have to get some of that moisture back, so detangling her hair will be kind of easy. Okay, so to get started with detangling, I will be using my Cream of Nature 7-in-1 Argan Oil Treatment, my Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner, 2 of my favorite combs, duckbill clips, and also some hair ties. Okay, first things first, I'm going to take this and spray it all over her hair. But I'm not going to get it too damp, just enough to where her hair will be pliable. I'm going to kind of work that in with my fingers just to make sure her hair is not too wet, but it's also saturated. Now I'm going to go in with my Mango and Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner and distribute that all throughout her hair before combing. Now I'm going to go in my wide tooth comb and I'm going to detangle her hair all over. Okay, so to get started with the parting, I'm going to take her hair and part 3 triangles in the front, and halfway in the back is going to be split into 2 sections. Okay, and once you're done parting, this is how all your sections should look. They don't have to be perfect, but we're going to do the best that we can. Okay, now working on the back, we're going to go in with this Mango and Lime locking gel and also my Softy coconut oil. also today I will be using these clear elastic bands instead of rubber bands. Okay, I already started with that right section, so I'm going to explain in depth what I did right here on the left. So I'm going to take the hair and part it, clip the hair out of the way. I'm going to go in with that mango and lime and that coconut oil to smooth out her hair. And then I'm going to add my elastic band. Now I wrap my elastic band around my hair once, and then I wrap it around her hair about 3 to 4 times to make sure that it is tight, but I do not make it too tight to where it is uncomfortable. And then I'm going to take the remainder of the section down and part her hair in triangles. I just thought it would be cute to part her hair this way. So you see me right here, taking her hair, parting, detangling. And I'm going to clip that hair out of the way. I'm going to go in with that coconut oil, that mango and lime gel, and then I'm going to take the hair from the previous section and add it in with this new section. You see me kind of pulling on that hair to make sure it's taut. And you want to do this with each section and make sure that it is nice, smooth, and tight, so the hairstyle would look very neat. Okay, so onto the front, I'm going to take down this side section. I'm going to part a tiny piece out of the way so I can braid her hair coming to the front, because I love those little pieces on the side. They are so adorable to me. So I'm going to take her hair and part just a small section, twist it and clip it out of the way. And with the remainder, I'm just going to braid her hair, going back to the back, and I'm going to do that same thing on the other side. Okay, so for this top section, I'm gonna do the rubber band method that I did in the back, but I'm gonna do something just a little bit different. Okay, so for this top front portion, I'm just gonna part it, not exactly in half, but to where I can have a tiny triangle in the front. I'm gonna clip the rest of it out of the way. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that gel, grab one of my elastics, tie it about 4 times, and this second section I'm gonna take and I'm gonna part it in half. Okay, I'm gonna take that side section, clip it out of the way. Okay, and now when I add that hair from that first triangle, I'm only going to take half of it, and I'm going to add it to my other section and also the piece in the back. You're going to see me kind of twist her hair before adding in my elastic, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other piece. Okay, so now that we have these cute, adorable little puff balls, I'm gonna go in and braid those 2 braids in the front, and then our hairstyle will be complete. Okay, so this is our finished result. I absolutely love this look on Kelly. We didn't wear it for very long because Kelly's a wild sleeper, but it was very cute on her. So I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks, guys.